Supreme Court continues to weigh disputes over the Texas fetal heartbeat law that went into effect back in September. This as the High Court gets set to hear arguments this week about another abortion ban. The case being argued this Wednesday comes from Mississippi, where a 2018 law would ban abortions after 15 weeks of pregnancy. Opponents argue that the case could overturn Roe v. Wade. Shannon Brewer, who runs the only abortion clinic in Mississippi, says she is worried about the outcome of the case because about 10% of the abortions the clinic performs take place after the 15th week. In addition, Shannon noted that since the Texas law took effect, they have seen a substantial increase in patients and now operate 5 to 6 days a week instead of 2 to 3. Mississippi is one of 12 states, including Texas, that is ready to act almost immediately if Roe is overturned by enacting abortion trigger laws that would take effect upon the decision. Experts say women in those states would turn to medication abortions, which now account for 40% of all abortions.